Hey guys, I made some troubles with the vacuuming machines from Silvercrest. So I see one guy who was removing this maybe guy, maybe girl, I don't know, but it was cool. He made that video. He was removing or she this rubber, and it worked. But on the first try, the heating get too heat, and it destroy the bag, so air is going in, and the vacuum was компрометиран, къде я знам как е. So I tried to figure out how to deal with it. So I found that it was working. It was working almost at the end of the space we're supposed to put it. So it was done here. Yeah, it's done, but I'm gonna cut it when it's closed, so it helps you. I thought I was going crazy because second machine doesn't work and it drives me crazy. So that's my second video, and the first video it worked well, how it's supposed to work, and it worked like this, how it's supposed to work. Maybe now it's going to work again. Yeah, it worked,
but if you have a problem sometimes.
But if you have a problem, I'm gonna show you. So this was the back, and the other back, where is it? Where is this, and so this back was the original one. So if it doesn't work where it's supposed to be, like here, so I see this right here to be with this, right? It was in the middle. If it doesn't work, see where it was. So I tried to pull it when it was working, when it was vacuuming. I started to pull it from here. It was here, and I started to pull it, so it was going over here, and it started vacuuming. It sealed, so you can see the line was over the edge. It's almost escaped from the vacuuming, and it worked. I made maybe 3 or 5 bags like this, and it was working. So good work, guys and girls.